Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect KuCoin to a Zoo airdrop. First, you need to understand the general requirements for participating in any crypto airdrop. It's crucial to ensure your KuCoin account is fully verified and prepared for transactions. Always locate the official Zoo airdrop details and instructions directly from their trusted sources to avoid any misinformation. To begin, make sure you have completed KuCoin's identity verification process, often called KYC. This is a vital step for security and compliance. Next, confirm that your KuCoin wallet address is compatible with the specific network the airdrop uses. Also, some airdrops require a minimum balance of certain tokens in your account, so check for those details. Now, navigate to the official Zoo airdrop website. This is where you will find the precise instructions for participation. It's essential to identify the required network, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, and the specific wallet type needed. You will then learn how to securely link your KuCoin deposit address for the relevant token to the airdrop platform. Before finalizing your submission, always double-check all the information you have entered. Accuracy is key to receiving your airdrop. After submission, regularly monitor the airdrop status on the official Zoo platform for updates. Finally, be extremely cautious of potential scam attempts. Always verify sources and never share your private keys or sensitive information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.